to the channel.
Welcome back, guys, and here is your boy Kev and Aurora, and we're in the Legacy, and we're on our way to meet up with Winston. He has an S13 with a nice little motor in it, so let's head there. Let's go to the spot we're gonna meet up at and review his car. And what?
There's a blackbird over there.
There's a blackbird over there. With Winston, my boy, and right now we're with his S13 and we're gonna be reviewing it. Yo, brother, so tell me, how long have you had the car for? And welcome for the channel as well.
Had it for about 11 years and it's been a long road.
What you've done to the motor, what have you done to it, aesthetic and everything, like how long has it taken you to get to this point right now, like on and off and everything? I know you said 11 years, but tell me a little bit about it.
It's a stock block engine with a pretty basic turbo setup and just pieced it together. It runs strong the way it is.
Future mod you're thinking about doing right now, like what's horsepower right now as well?
Makes around 280 horsepower, give or take, and runs real strong. Just got to do some fine tuning, get a nice standalone ECU for it, get it on the dyno.
That's sick.
The numbers up so that, and get it all smoothed out so that it's more reliable for the stock engine until I can build it.
So right now it is still stock engine?
Yeah.
Oh, how much mile does the car have?
Mileage is 190,000.
I saw you have a turbo. What turbo? Tell me about the turbo on this car. What turbo is it? I see it's not an SR. I said earlier it was an SR, but it's a KA. Am I correct?
Yep. It's just a T2871R eBay. So
eBay turbo
strong,
and run strong.
Very popular with these motors right now, and everybody's liking them. I'm not having any problems either.
That's sick. What suspension you have on it? I know you got coils on it.
Again, cheap Raceland.
Really?
Yeah.
I've been seeing a lot of people been running that. How, like, what's your thoughts of it? Because I see people like it's 50-50. It's mixed reviews, but I've been in one on a WRX, and he's on the floor with his Racelands, yep. And it feels perfect. I liked how it rides. So
no, they're pretty smooth as far as they go. They're not adjustable dampening, so they're really basic. But like to go to something nicer down the road. Either I'll just probably get BCs or I might air ride it. Ooh,
bags on this would look sick. The color wise, I haven't seen much of this green. Is this like a rare color for these cars, or is this the original color of the S13?
Yeah, this is a small run for the S13. You don't get a lot of green ones. Also the blue, the lighter blue, you don't see a lot of those. So it's definitely a rare color. I'm gonna stick with it.
That's sick.
Keep it going.
I like it. I like anything otherwise aesthetic are you gonna be doing to it, or?
Yeah, I've got skirts for it. I gotta get a nice bumper for it soon, so I can put all that together, and then I gotta get the rear balance. And then down the road, I'm gonna eventually do a whole 180SX Type X aero kit.
Ooh, I can't wait for that. I know Winston since I moved up to CT. He's one of the first people when I moved up here. Like 4 years we've known each other, so we've been to a couple of meets as well and stuff. Like, he's local in CT. What's your IG so people can follow you as well, to continue watching the build, how it goes?
The Instagram is Kurt Hunter 13.
We'll put it right there on the description as well. Into the interior of the car, and let's see what he has. I know he has an S14 seat in the car. Energy quick release. This is one piece I love. He's literally keeping it 90s right there with the Pexi. What is it now? Like a
Pexi SASC2.
There we go.
Piggyback fuel controller.
Ready shift knob as well. He saw ready blow valve as well. The interior is pretty mint. I miss my S14. At the same time, I don't miss mine when I had mine. I almost died of it twice,
It
but
always takes time to find clean pieces for the interior, and then I still have some goodies to put in. It's time right now. I'm waiting to get a little time to tear things apart without wanting to go drive it somewhere.
that's sick. Well, I know he had the car for a while, and it was like it'd been on and off, and now it's running. So let's go into it. Let's see how it drives and everything. I know it does have some hits in here and there, but it is a drift car, you said too. It is your daily, and no, is it your daily or no?
No, not my daily anymore.
Oh, not anymore.
I don't like it to go through the heavy rain.
Got it.
It leaks too much.
It leaks too much. It is, but hey, it's really clean. I know he did drift. That's not a drift hit, right? It's not a drift car.
No, that was from a big storm when I was daily driving it. So yeah, it broke my heart. I was like, I'm not letting this thing sit outside anymore. So I found, put it in the storage unit.
It's a 92.
92.
Yeah, it looks pretty clean. It looks good.
All that stuff will come out. Like I said, everything's coming down the road. It's just money, and time.
Well, part two, once this whole car we'll come back into it later on when the car is with more stuff as well. Because I know he has big plans with this car.
Yeah, it's never gonna stop.
It's never gonna stop. It's like, look at mine over there. It's like all the way over there with the hood open. We like moved all the way over here, but that one has a lot of things as well I want to do to it before she goes off to a new owner. But I'm gonna enjoy it while I can.
That's the thing. I'll never sell this car, so she's just gonna get money forever. I don't care if I have to put $100,000 into it to make it right.
No, so you already know this car's staying with him forever. With me, I end up hooking mines up, and then someone else goes, "How much you want for it?" And then I end up selling it.
Yeah,
I got bad luck with that. They give me
I could
good.
definitely make money out of this car now, but it wouldn't be worth it because I would want it again, and you wouldn't get it again.
And you won't get it again, especially the S13s.
This car was bone stock when I got it.
What are you, second owner, third owner with the car?
I think I'm third owner. My uncle gave it to me.
Oh, nice.
Oh, passed down. I didn't even know what I was doing with this thing.
And look at it.
Got it. You learn, and get your lessons, and it's a really cool chassis. There's so much to do to it,
It is.
It's like I want to get nice tail lights. They just went up to $1,000.
Oh man, 90s cars, especially with JDM parts and everything in Japan is horrible right now.
Everything's getting crazy.
Everything is getting crazy. So if you guys have parts and you guys watching this video and you're trying to sell it, hit him up.
Hook me up with Koki tails. I need them bad.
Oh, Joe, look at this. And they work. Look at that. Oh man. I got more space. I'm like,
her feet aren't even on the floor, so
there we go. Damn, I'm too big for this car.
Yeah, it's the welded diff.
She got a welded diff as well?
Yeah.
Aurora, you like it? Oh, she's happy. Oh, there's a turbo sound. Oh yeah, she has that nice.
Yeah, I like it. It's pretty loud. I have a set of 300ZX brakes I gotta get in here and put it in soon.
I was gonna ask you, if you had a set of those. I have the 4 pots for mine and the 2 pots. Those things look nice when you put the Z100DX brakes on
they
there.
look nice and feel nice because these stock brakes aren't very adequate.
And 90 braking with more power on the car, it ain't helping it out.
Yeah, it'll be great. Like you said, it'll look a lot better to the wheels.
Yeah, I know he has another dash he's gonna be putting on. He has other couple things he wants to do. When everything is on, we'll definitely link up again and check it out.